Hi friends, this is Fireman's Tech channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take shaped screenshots in your phone Vivo V21e 5G with using S capture. First, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here itself, I would like to take a screenshot, that is a shaped screenshot. To do shaped screenshot, go to notification area and click on S capture and click on funny screenshot and click on shaped screenshots, and here the various shapes are available. You can use this shape. You can also adjust this shape. You can also use combination of shapes. The area under these shapes will be the screenshot. So it is called as shaped screenshot. I include all shapes and click on save and click on the image and click on edit. If you want to use editing tool, you can use it here. And here I would like to highlight something on the screen and click on the tick mark and click on save. To locate the edited shaped screenshot, go to files in your phone and click on internal storage, click on DCIM folder, click on screenshots folder, and at last you will find the latest screenshot. And see here, what a funny, all shapes are available, and within those shapes area will be the screenshot. And see here, so it is called as funny screenshot. Different shapes can be clubbed together and make it more funny. So in this way you can easily take funny screenshot, that is shaped screenshots, using S capture in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.